You're not stuck. Come on over. Pick your foot up.
Mommy, take me.
Come on, you can do it. Zoe, how old are you? Oh, almost. Now pick up your other foot. That's it. You're doing it.
I'm doing down.
It's February 2013. And Zoe, you're 2.5? Focus on the snow right now. Okay, pick your foot up.
Mommy, can I get down?
Yeah, come on, babe. Come to me.
Mommy, take me there.
Okay. Here, give me your hand. You're doing it! You did it! Woo! Zoe, what do you think of the snow? Hey, Zoe, what do you think? Do you like the snow?
I like this